Do you have a dull skin? Do you have uneven tone skin? Do you need a very good product to lighten your skin and also to brighten up your skin? In today's video, I will be sharing my honest review on two products, only two products that you can use on your skin to lighten your skin and to also brighten your skin as well. But you have to understand that these products I'm coming to give my reviews on are not recommended for dark skin people, neither is it recommended for a caramel skin people. It's recommended for people who have lost their skin tone, or people with an uneven tone skin, or people with a dull skin and they want to brighten or lighten their skin. So if you are that type of person looking for a product to work on your dull skin, then please stick and stay. I will be back for more. So I have in my hand here Larissa Carotte Lightening Soap, and I have in my hand here Carotone Lightening Cream. These are two products that I will be giving my honest review on for people with a dull skin who wants to achieve even tone skin, or they want to lighten their skin. So in this video, I will be sharing with you who is supposed to use these two combination, or the type of skin types that are supposed to use these two combination. I'll share with you the roles these two combination or these two products plays on the skin, and I'll share with you how you can use them perfectly to lighten up your skin or to brighten up your skin. And I'll share with you the side effects of not using these two products well. Carotone is a very good lightening cream that when you use it with wisdom, you will not regret it, okay? It's formulated with carrots, it's formulated with pawpaw, it's formulated with argan oil, and it also contains a little bit of hydroquine in it, okay? And it's a very good clarifying cream. So if you have dark spots on your skin, you can equally use this Carotone cream to clear your dark spots on your skin. And I have in my hand here Larissa Carotte Lightening Soap. This is a very good lightening soap for people who wants to lighten their skin, for people who wants to brighten their skin. It's basically formulated with carrot and other lightening ingredients. It contains citric acid and a kojic acid as well. So if you are a dark skin person, you can use this soap to glow your skin. Take note, if you are a dark skin person, you can use this Larissa soap to glow your skin or to tone your skin, but do not use this soap with Carotone cream as a dark skin person. Please listen to my statement well. If you are a dark skin person, you can use this soap to tone the skin or to glow the skin. But if you are a dark skin person, do not use Carotone cream and Larissa soap. You will end up having severe dark knuckles on the skin. So these two products is for people with a light skin like this person. It's for people with a fairer skin tone like this person. A normal skin person can use this product. A combination skin person can use these two combo. And also a dry skin person can use these two combo. It's not recommended for a sensitive skin person. Neither is it recommended for an oily skin person. Okay, so this is how the Larissa case soap is. So I am taking it off from the rubber for us to see how the smell is and how the texture also is. This is how it is. It is made with carrots alone. If you have dark armpits, if you have dark inner thighs, If you have spot on your skin, you can use this soap to clear those problems on the skin. Okay, you can use it on a face towel to wash the face. Okay, don't use it direct on the face. Okay, you are supposed to use it morning and evening. If you have a very tough skin, you have a dry skin, you can add water to it and apply it on the skin for 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse and using the same soap to bath again. So after bathing with your Larissa soap, you can apply the Carotone cream on the skin, and this cream is supposed to be used only in the night. Take note, Carotone cream should be used only in the night. Do not use it during the daytime, but then the Larissa soap can be used morning and evening. The reason why I said the Carotone cream should be used in the night is that it contains hydroquine, it contains citric acid, it contains kojic acid. So if you are using a lightening product or a lightening cream or a product that contains hydroquine, citric acid, and a kojic acid, when you expose the skin under the sun, you end up damaging the skin, or you end up having severe dark knuckles. So if you are the type using any lightening product, please and please make sure you use it only at night. Do not use it during the daytime. Even though if you want to use it during the daytime, make sure you protect the skin from the sun. Okay, so if you are a light skinned person and your skin is down or your skin is dull, you can use these two products, Larissa Carotte Lightening Soap with Carotone Cream, to bring back your light skin. Okay, the roles these two combo plays on the skin is that they brighten the skin, they lighten the skin, they make the skin very smooth, they make the skin very soft, and they also gives you a very nice shiny skin tone when you use it perfectly well. Okay, they clear dark spots on the skin and they clear marks on the skin as well. They clear dark armpits, they clear dark inner thighs, they clear dark elbow, and they make the skin very nice for you. Okay, the side effect about not using these two products is that it gives you severe dark knuckles, especially if you don't use it with wisdom. It gives you severe sunburn if you expose the skin. Sorry, it gives you severe sunburn if you expose the skin under the sun. All right, and also you don't have to use the cream on the face. Do not use the cream on the face. This Carotone cream has its own face cream, which is this one. So if you want to use the face cream, you can use it in the night to clear your spots on your face, to lighten up your face, but it has a duration. Okay, if you use it and your face is light, your face has brightened up, it has cleared the spots on your face, you have to stop using it. You don't have to use it consistently. After you stop using it, just get a very nice mild cream and use on your face. Okay, this two combo is a very good combo for people with a dull skin who wants to lighten their skin, or people with an uneven tone skin who wants to lighten or brighten their skin as well. And these two combo clear spots on the skin. So lovers, if you are looking for a very good combo to use on your skin, you can grab Carotone cream and Larissa Carotte Lightening Soap to use on the skin. But then if you have ever used these two combination before, you can please share your review under the comments or under the video. Okay, and beautiful people, my name is Lartini. As usual, this is your skincare channel where I give reviews on all skincare products. Okay, so if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, Thank you for the support and thank you for watching my videos again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.